Hello my dear friends of electronics. My name is Lorandt and today I invite my lovely colleague Julia because I have a little problem for assembling. And Julia, I know the standard fixing for this PCB. You can use kind of spacer like a plastic with a clip on, or we can have some with the screwed one, or even in different length we can have them. But I have now a small board like this Calliope PC, and this is 100% completely SMD assembled. And now I need another process, manual process, just to assembly that with this screwed holder and a spacer. I don't think so. There must be another solution for that. And I heard from you that you have something new.
Yes, I have a solution for this, our SMT Spacers. They could be assembled automatically with all other SMT components. We offer them also in tape and reel packaging.
And you have also inside?
Yeah, we have them with inside thread and with through hole or with external thread.
Okay, cool. So this is exactly what I need for that. And
Maybe another solution would be our reverse types. They could be assembled from the top and soldered from the top of the PCB, but generate a distance to the lower PCB.
Cool,
So you can save the second production step.
And I see you some red plastic things. What are that for?
That's our snap rivet, so you can save the second screw. You just have to fix the snap rivet in our SMT spacer. So you have a complete screwless connection of the two PCBs.
Oh, cool. Then this is really stable. So
Yeah,
I like
really
it.
stable.
So excellent. This is exactly what I'm looking for. So thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
I hope you enjoyed, and please watch my next videos.